contest for the year 2013. This is the preliminary contest. The finals will be on Thursday, 2 weeks from today, Thursday, July 11th at 12 noon at Union Square. So we'd like to make sure some of you that can make that, it is a happening event. It will include the slot blades and our champion, who is holding up an iPad right now, Mr. Trini Whitaker. Yay, Trini! And he'll have some challengers. Now I would like to introduce, first of all, our judges. In this corner, from the neighborhood of Chinatown, San Francisco, Marina District, probably everywhere in town, the former SFMTA board member and one of our great supporters, Mr. Will Din. And Mrs. Din. In this corner, or in the middle, Ms. Pilar Alvarez from El Mensajero newspaper. Is that right? Mensajero? Okay, well, listen, I told you I didn't get through 7th grade Spanish, so we're okay. Anyway, we are very happy to have you here also. And in this corner, Mr. Dave Dubiner from Uncle Vita's and Ivy.
All right.
All right. Now we have 12 contestants, plus our bell ringing champion, who will be just ringing a ding ding at the end. But I'd like to start by first of all introducing our first contestant. This gentleman hails from the area of Powell and Mason, otherwise known as the Mason Line. Mr. Carl Anderson. He has been with Beauty for 15 years, been in the cable car division for 13 years, married, has one child, Brandy, a female, 24. And why did he come to the cable car division? Well, it was well before I got here, so I wasn't the excuse, although he can use that now. He says he took the advice of Larry Butler, my trainer in training class and an ex-gripman. And Carl actually is qualified on both ends of the car. Carl was one of the instrumental operators during the, gripman I should say, during the Centennial, taking out our historic car number 42 also. And Carl once again is qualified on both ends of the car. His special interest is 50s and 60s rock and classic movies. Let's hear it for Mr. Carl Anderson.